Hello guys, today I'd like to show you my new keyboard from Keychron, and I'm gonna unpack this one, provide my opinion and thoughts regarding this keyboard. I do like this version of this particular keyboard because it is matching my overall setup with a white laptop. I also share my personal thoughts regarding this one, and I bought it instead of my Nufi 75. So stay tuned, let's unpack it. By the way, I bought this keyboard for $110. For this price, it is a steal. Box with a shiny logo on it. Quick start guide. By the way, you can use their own software to program this keyboard. I personally bought it just for my productivity. This one is pretty solid for gaming as well. Paperwork, and here's the king. Guess this is some wire cables. Okay, keycap puller. Some keycaps for Windows, and I definitely need it because I recently switched from Mac to Windows. Here's the dongle. Let's get this. Oh wow, it is pretty hefty. It is heavier than my Nufi. This is not a slim keyboard. I do like this wood sides. Feels like a premium product. This is the metal, however, this is the plastic though, but it's solid plastic. Let's take a closer look. Alright, so here's the keyboard. I do like how it looks. Silky touch, soft, pretty solid, but it's not metal. It is a plastic one. However, I cannot say that this one feels cheap. It feels premium for its price. Very nice, soft, silky sound. I can definitely say that the space bar doesn't wobbling. It is on its place. No flex at all. So this keyboard has no flex at all. Built like a tank. And here is magnetic switches, I guess, and they built differently rather than regular ones with the mechanical spring. Thing is that this magnet touches the surface. There are no plenty options of the switches, by the way, so you have to take a look by yourself and see what's available switches for this keyboard. Printing is good, they are thick enough, it is a decent one. You can use two levels of adjustment of the height. Here will be a sound test of this keyboard. So, do I want to keep it? Yes, I'll give it a shot and I'll test it. One drawback for me, it's made of plastic, but it's not critical. You've got here standard switches, wireless mode, cable mode, charging port. From this side, you've got nothing. I do like the color of buttons here. It is aesthetically pleasant. Definitely matches my whole setup with a white laptop. And to be honest, I prefer white things. They look cleaner. They not tend to collect the dust like the black ones on your table. In my opinion, it's pretty solid. It has much higher quality than Nufi 75, and I has the first generation. However, 3 years I've been using it constantly, no complaints at all. I wish they provide much more capacity to the battery. I used to charge it a lot. Alright guys, I also have a plans to shoot a video regarding Nufi 75. Stay tuned, hit the like or dislike button. Cheers!